You're over there moaning?
Uh-huh.
What are you doing?
I'm putting my hard thing in this other hole.
Oh.
So, let's get some light on here.
In one hand because I have a handful of Cheetos in the other hand.
Scrubbed, painted, redone, safe, sound, and I mean...
Well, now you're putting the new idler arm in.
Yeah, new idler arm. I gave it some paint because it was just raw metal. I don't want it to get all rusted out and nasty.
Yeah.
So I got to give this a little bit of grease to get it in there because it's just dry and it's tight. All new parts.
Dry and
so
tight.
the original bracket's been sanded, scuffed, cleaned, and painted. I redid the bolts, cleaned, scrubbed, redone. That's just so much nicer.
That is nice.
This car is going to drive like a dream when we're done.
Lovely.
I can't wait. I mean, I truly, truly can't. Oh, wait. Let's show them. Let's show them.
What are we showing?
Drag link.
Yeah, that I'm about to rebuild. Oh, getting up. Power Sky. Drag Link. Not to be confused with Drag Queen.
This is true. This is true. An hour and a half later.
Yeah, soaking, scrubbing. Look at how clean and nice this is.
And this will get painted and scrubbed up like it needs to be, but we got to rebuild it first. So what I'll probably do is just kind of tape this really good.
Give it a little spritz.
Yeah, because it's got a plate that goes over it like this with a hole in it, and then a little rubber grommet for right here. So I just want to make sure that we're safe and sound and as you're doing that. But it'll look nice, it'll look clean, because I mean, now it's just all raw metal, and it's just going to start doing that all over again. And that's not what we're about here. We want things right and clean and
nice. So
yeah.
I'm on this now. That's my next project. So I'm going to take care of this. So the next video will be me redoing this.